Nasa bali, hindi umabot ang 30 si Jody Pans. 25 lang.
Almost.
Ay, yung Bradford
Okay, there was a foul on Raimundo's fourth. And meantime, may timeout po tayo. Lamang pa rin ang Pure Foods here in the fourth quarter. 80-74. We'll send you over to Miyaka Lim.
Kahit busy na busy itong si James Yap, he still finds time to bond with baby James. Sabi nga ni James, palagi daw sila naglalaro nito after practice. And na yun daw, nahihilig si baby James sa mga toy cars kahit na binili niya ito ng basketball. Sabi ni James na feeling niya emana si baby James sa kanyang asawa na si Chris kasi daw at 8 months old at talagang outspoken na daw itong si baby James. At mga PBA fans, ito pa ang dapat niyong abangan. Manonood daw si baby James for the first time sa Christmas Day game ng Pure Foods kontra Ginebra. Back to you guys.
Malaking balita yun. Ha?
Hindi lang sa PBA yun, pati sa show.
Siyempre, at kung manunod si Baby James, pwede bang mawala yun?
Si Mama Chris?
Yes.
May Christmas yun
Nick Velasco makes it a 4-point ball game. Well, called pa rin naghahabol dito, but not by much. With 6.5 remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
23 points para dito kay Nick Velasco. They need another hero. Ito well coached. Si Nick Velasco na okay na siguro. Sige, ako na mag-isa pwede.
Here's a Tukul. Hammered. Halos matanggal yung alang-ala dun ni Adonis Santa Maria. Pati Santa Maria nga, ang siyang tinawagan ng foul. It's four.
Dalawang free.
Lakas talaga ng katawan nito si Romel.
Bumalik sa dati.
Parang kinalabit lang ni Adonis.
4 points ang kabante nitong Pure Foods at itong si Romano Ducol. Yan, nakita yung 13 points and 7 rebounds. 14 points and 7 rebounds para dito kay Romel Aducol.
Another solid ball game by the General. 5-point ball game dito sa fourth and final quarter. Ito, halos nangangalahati na tayo sa fourth period. Here's Velasco. Sa ngayon, nagdadala dito sa buong kupunan ng well-coached.
Pangatlong foul para dito kay Romel Aducol. Sunod-sub pa ito si Nick Velasco.
Wala pa sa penalty ang dalawang kupunan. Actually, check that. From Pure Foods, the next foul will send a well-coached player to the line. At timeout muna tayo with 6:05 remaining in the pivotal fourth quarter. We'll be back with more PBA Sunday action. The Speaker of the House, unfortunately for him, this session has been adjourned because he already found out. Nonetheless, he was part of our Buhay Coke shot brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang Buhay Coke, buksan mo.
Sayang ano? Dahil 25 points na nga itong si Jody Vance. Let's look at this combined numbers. 48 na para dito kay Devance and Velasco. Samantala Raimundo Pingles and Ducol. Yung mga frontliners combining for 37.
Marami pa sanang pwedeng iambag.
Oo. Easily, he could have scored more than 30 points.
Nonetheless, dikit pa rin itong ating laro. Magamat lamang ng 5 rito ang Pure Foods. Well, coach, ayaw na mamagpaiwa. Here's Velasco. And it's fouled. And now, 2 free throws po ito para kay Nick Velasco. Aduhol ngayon ang gigil na gigil. Pang-apat, laban kay Romel Aduhol. Penalty na po ang Pure Foods. And so, Nick Velasco is now the focal point of the well-coached attack.
Main weapon na to. 24 points for Nick Velasco. Bukod dyan, meron pa siyang 8 rebounds. Hindi pa maabot ang double figure sa rebounds para itong si Nick Velasco. 2-2.
And now, it's just a 3-point ball game. Kaya kumakatok na sa pinto itong well-coached. They were down by as many as 11 points earlier in the ball game. Ito, Roger Yap. Looking for James Yap. Instead, goes to Raimundo with 10 to shoot. Derby Raimundo against Nick Velasco. It's an all-star matchup. And Raimundo connects.
Alam naman natin ang range itong si Kirby Raimundo. 17 points in the ball game. Meron pa siyang 13 rebounds.
Raimundo extends the lead to 5, 83-78. Mahigit 5 minuto pa natitira sa ating ball game. Denver Lopez ang may tanga ng bola. Naubos na oras ng well code dito. Bola na kay Velasco, 3 to shoot. Tira na si Nick Velasco. No.
Pilit na yung tirang yun, no? Under time pressure at napakalayo pa nito si Nick Velasco. Although he could hit that.
Pero yun, Oris, karamihan ng mga tira dito, talagang kay Nick Velasco na napupunta.
Ang hirap talaga, no? So, siguro, dapat may board na yung iba, eh.
Kirby Raimundo, nag-iinit na. Back-to-back baskets for Kirby Raimundo. He has 19 points. At natagdagan itong kalamangan ng Pure Foods, 85-78. At humingi ng 30-second timeout ang Wellcoat dito bago mamagana naman itong lamang ng Pure Foods. Here in the fourth quarter.
There's a possibility na siguro gamitin Kikoy ito si Velasco, no? Na pagka na-double kick out, mas bukas na kakampi. Alam mo kung sino nagsasanmig light ngayon. And probably iba-iba pang inumin at pulutan. Happy birthday kay Air 21 Assistant Coach Manny Dandan.
You mean Ricky Dandan?
Ricky Dandan. Sorry Ricky Dandan pala. Kasi minsan hindi nito ko sabi mo yung magkapatid na yan, pinaka-suspense na coaching. Dandan. Dahil dandan.
Ricky is the sexier. Mas sexy si Ricky kaysa kay Manny.
Ganon.
Make no mistake about it. Okay. Shot block there by Pure Foods.
At leading scorers nga at pagla si Nick Velasco at Jody Vance ganyan. Pagkatapos sila ng dalawa, wala nang iba, eh.
4 and 11 remaining in the ball game.
At para naman dito sa panig ng Pure Foods, 4 na ang double figure sa kanila, no? Balansyado ang opensa ng Giants.
7 to shoot for Pure Foods. They go to James Yap. James Yap on the move. Lost the ball. Adogol fights for it. Sinubukan pag tumira ng nakahiga.
Sige.
Dahil paubos na yung shot clock. At palakpakan ang mga tao dito.
Kung pumasok yung counted
Because
dyan. Kung pumasok yung counted dyan.
that's what you call lying down on the job. Huh? But in that case, you commend Romel Adogol for even trying.
Having the presence of mind.
Ay. Back to the ball game. Velasco, Lopez on the right side. Lopez, offensive foul on Nick Velasco.
Yun ang tinatawag na Batman move.
Romel Adogol trying to be resourceful. Nakahiganat lahat. Sinubukan pa rin kumuntos.
85-78 ang ating score dito. 7-point lead by the Giants. 3 minutes and 15 remaining.
Daniel Raimundo. Same spot.
Providing the pick was Romel Adogol. 21 points para dito kay Kirby Raimundo.
Kirby Raimundo is fast becoming the man of the moment para sa Pure Foods. At dahan-dahan na naman silang lumalayo. 87-78. Under 3 minutes to go in the game. Sino ang kukontra para sa Wellcoat in Denver Lopez?
Kailangan Kailangan na pumunto sa ito si Denver Lopez. He has 8 points. 6 points sa first quarter. Walang in-score sa second at third. Ito si Denver Lopez.
As you mentioned, somebody has to help out Nick Velasco in the absence of J.R. Reyes, who's injured.
And Jody Vance fouled out.
Here's Raimundo, the man of the moment. Man on a mission. And the man who finds Roger Yap for 3. Voila. Adogol gets the rebound.
First shot back para sa panig ng Pure Foods. Nag-uubos sila ng oras dito.
Here's Roger Yap. On the move, getaway.
7 points for Roger Yap.
At ito na ang Outlast 2 minutes. Atid sa inyo ng Outlast Maintenance Free Batteries. Walang dagdag bawas sa tubig. 9 points ang kailangan habulin ng Wellcoat. Sobra yung tira ni Wainwright. Here's Velasco for 3. Wala pa rin. At Donnie Santamaria could not clear the rebound. Last touch on Pingvis.
Less than 2 minutes remaining.